Mamata Banerjee's unique protest over fuel price hike. She's pillion riding on a scooter in Kolkata to her office. There you go, those visuals. After you saw Robert Vadra riding that cycle in Delhi, now you've got visuals coming in over the fuel price hike of Mamata Banerjee in pole-bound Bengal. She's pillion riding on a scooter. This is a unique protest coming in over the fuel price hike. She's pillion riding on a scooter in Kolkata and she's going to her office on this particular scooter. You do remember that a similar kind of protest took place in Delhi as well, where you saw Robert Vadra cycling away in Delhi, in the national capital, to oppose the fuel price hike. And now Didi is using the fuel price hike as a poll plank, much to her advantage, and trying to send out a message right there through this unique protest. And there you go, that red circle that you see has a lady sitting pillion riding. That's Mamata Banerjee. She's pillion riding on this particular bike. She's on her way to work on this bike, on this scooter, to be precise. She's taking the scooter to office, and this is the fuel price hike protest that is panning out. This is all happening right ahead of the assembly elections right there in West Bengal. Surya Agni is now joining us live. Surya, this is a very unique way of protesting. But, you know, again, the context is fuel price hike. So if she is opposing the fuel price hike, and I'm just playing devil's advocate here, shouldn't she be cycling instead of going on a scooter?
Well, you know, to mark a protest, Mamata Banerjee is driving an electric scooty. She has claimed that the rise of, you know, petrol, diesel, fuel prices basically, that is the reason why she's doing this protest today. Now, you know, if we just look at the entire backdrop of today's situation, a day when BJP is, you know, it's coming out with its suggestions on how they will make its manifesto, wherein digital vehicles will be used to tour the entire length and breadth of West Bengal to take feedback. Mamata Banerjee is doing a electric bike rally. So somewhere this is becoming a battle of, you know, concepts somewhere. We have seen how buses by both the parties have been used, one as Didi Doot and one as a Rath. And now it's somewhere it's about these electric mini vehicles, scooters, which we can see crystally. Coming back to your question on why Mamata Banerjee is doing this today, because she has time and again slammed the centre for not curbing the prices of fuel. She has, you know, issued a subsidy of 1 rupee throughout the state of West Bengal, a cut down of 1 rupee of tax that was slashed last week by the Finance Minister of West Bengal, Amit Mitra. And today she does this electric bike rally from Hazra to her office, Nabano. Back to you.
That's right. You know, Surya Agni, now it makes sense, because earlier when she was riding on the scooter, one would question why is she on a scooter if she's opposing fuel price hike. But like you mentioned, it is an electric scooter, and these visuals are speaking volumes about her opposition to the rise that one is seeing in fuel prices on the back of heavy taxes that are coming in as well. So Mamata right there on an e-scooter. We're waiting to see, Surya, how BJP responds to these optics coming in from the TMC. Surya Agni? All right, Surya Agni will join us in just a bit, but these are latest visuals that are coming in from West Bengal and pole-bound Bengal. On these visuals, we're slipping into a break. News and updates on the other side.